Hello. If you're a business owner in the United States and you've ever applied for funding only to be denied, you know how painful that is. You build your company, you hustle every day, you believe in your vision, but then when it's time to grow, expand, and upgrade, the banks, the lenders, and the investors say, no, you are denied. That stops you. It closes doors. It kills momentum. Well, today I want to show you why that keeps happening to most business owners and how you can fix it step by step so you get approved next time. This is not just theory. This is real, usable information you can act on. If you stay with me, by the end, you'll understand exactly what's blocking you and exactly what to do to break through. So, why denials happen? First, let's see the big picture. It's not just you. Many small and medium business owners in the United States are being turned away from funding. Why, you ask? Because lenders see risk. When someone applies for money, lenders ask, will this person pay me back? How sure am I that their business will survive? What guarantees do I have? Over time, banks have gotten stricter. They demand stronger credit, cleaner financials, better collateral. So many get denied not because they're bad people, but because the system's rules are stacked against those whose credit or finances have wobbles. That means your success depends on understanding those rules and playing them right. Now let's dig into the most common reasons for denials. Here are the big reasons lenders say no and what they really mean. Poor personal credit or risk in your credit report. Lenders often check your personal credit, not just your business. If you have late payments, collections, charge-offs, high balances, or identity errors, those red flags hurt your chance. Also, risk indicators like too many credit inquiries or accounts pushed to the limits make lenders fearful. The next thing, too much existing debt or high debt ratios. If you already owe a lot, both personally and in your business, lenders think you might not manage one more debt. A heavy debt load signals you're already stretched. Then there's weak or inconsistent cash flow or low profits. Even if your idea is good, if your business doesn't show reliable, consistent earnings, lenders worry. They want proof you can pay month after month. If your business shows volatile income or big one-time spikes, that's a red flag. Then there's a lack of collateral or security. Many loan types, especially traditional ones, require something you pledge: property, equipment, real estate. If you don't have enough to offer, lenders feel they have nothing to fall back on. Then there's incomplete or weak application, poor documentation. Sometimes you get denied simply because your paperwork isn't clean. Missing tax returns, low quality financial statements, inconsistent records. All these make the lender doubt your professionalism. Then you've got business type risk and lender perception. Some industries are seen as riskier, like restaurants, seasonal, or things called trucking. If your type of business has higher failure rates, lenders may demand stricter standards. Then there's the macro, external conditions. Even if you are good, external factors can tighten credit. When banks fear recession, regulatory pressure, or financial instability, they raise barriers. Recent bank failures and economic shifts have made lenders extra cautious. So, how these reasons hurt you personally? Well, let's bring it to how it blocks you. Imagine you have a project you believe in to scale your business or upgrade equipment, hire staff, open a new location. You apply for credit. Then you get a denial letter. Suddenly you're stuck again. That means delayed growth, stress, missed opportunities, and more costs trying alternate funding methods that cost you higher interest, these short-term loans, or predatory lenders. Then emotionally, it's crushing. You've poured your heart in and the world says, not yet. But here's the good news. You don't have to accept not yet. Each of those denial reasons is fixable if you know the steps. And you already have an edge. You're listening. You're learning. You can act. So now let's walk through the fixes. How to fix it. Here's some steps to turn your denied into approved next time. Clean up your personal credit methodically and fully. Get full copies of your credit reports from all three bureaus. Look for errors, wrong names, addresses, accounts that don't belong to you. Dispute inaccuracies vigorously and repeatedly. Address negatives, late payments, collections, charge-offs through dispute strategies, validations, and even goodwill letters. This is the foundation. If your personal credit is weak, nothing else will move. Remove or reduce your debt and improve ratios. Pay down interest that's high and high balance accounts first. Try to lower overall utilization. Don't max out your credit cards. Consolidate debt if possible with lower interest options. The lower your debt burden, the more comfortable lenders feel giving you more. Then stabilize and strengthen your cash flow. Build predictable revenue streams. Cut unnecessary costs. If some months are weak, look at multiple income channels like side gigs, consulting, or even add-ons. Keep business and personal finances separate and well documented. Lenders want to see this business can reliably pay debt from its profits. Add collateral or guarantee. Use real assets you own, equipment, real estate to back up your loans. Be willing to give a personal guarantee if needed. That means you promise personally to pay if business fails to do so. Lease assets. Purchase used equipment with value. Anything that gives lenders a fallback. Improve application quality and documentation. Prepare clean, consistent financial statements. That's your profit and loss and your balance sheet. Include tax returns, bank statements, projections, budgets. Show your plan, how borrowed money will be used, and how it improves revenue. Present your business story compellingly, your mission, strengths, and market. A strong narrative plus clean data makes you look professional and low risk. Position your business smartly. If your industry is viewed risky, show mitigating strategies. Diversify customers, seasonal buffers, your insurance. Show your experience, how long you've been operating, steps taken to reduce risk, your successes. Time it right. Apply when you're ready. Don't rush when you have red flags. Apply when your financials and credit is in a better position. Also, choose the right lender. Not all loans are the same. Some lenders are more flexible or aligned with growth stage businesses. So, how I help you bridge this gap? Well, now I want you to see where I come in, because doing all this alone is extremely hard. Over my 37 plus years, I've helped thousands of clients exactly in your shoes. I built systems to repair credit fast, cleanly, and effectively so business owners don't have to stay stuck. Here's how working with me helps. I find every error, inconsistency, and negative that's dragging down your credit and dispute it properly. I know advanced methods for tough cases, reinsertions, or complex accounts that many credit companies avoid. I push your work faster if you choose priority service so you can see results quicker. I coach you through mindset, believe, detachment, discipline so you don't sabotage the journey. I help you structure your business finances so your future funding applications look strong. So instead of guessing or wasting months, you get a guided path and someone who's walked it many times. Well, before I let you go, let me talk to your heart. Getting denied hurts. It can make you doubt yourself. But here's the truth. You are not your credit. Your credit is a record of what's happened. It's not who you are. You can change it. You can rise. Think of this as leveling up. You're requalifying yourself. You're stepping into a new version of your life. Believe in your worth. Believe in your vision and act, because knowledge without action is wasted. So today I want you to take one step, even if small. Here's exactly what I want you to do. Get your credit reports from all three bureaus. Review them carefully for errors and negatives. Choose one negative item to dispute or attack first. And if this feels overwhelming, book a consultation with us. I'll walk you through what items to fix, how to structure your funding plan, and how to get ready. If you want help cleaning your credit properly with unlimited disputes, advanced strategies, priority handling, I'll be there with you step by step. Don't let another denial hold you back. You can fix this. You will fix this. And when your credit is clean, funding doors open up. You'll finally be able to scale, expand, and invest with confidence. So start today. Take action. Rise again. This is your moment. I believe in you. Let's get you approved. Be blessed.